Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, take the section of your hair and make a knot out of it and tie it nicely with the help of the elastic. Now repeat the exact same process from another side too and keep doing it until it will start looking like this, and then make a bonnet stand. For the next one, take the front section of your hair and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic. Now divide your hairs into 3 sections and then make a braids out of it as shown in the video, and then pull it inside out very nicely and gently from the front. Now take the smaller sections from the remaining hairs and then pull it inside out from the braid as it will look like this. Attach it properly and it's all done. For the next one, tie your hairs and then by rolling it all together, make a bun out of it and then attach it properly as shown in the video. Now take the remaining hairs, it's done. For the next one, take the front portion of your hair and then tie it nicely. Now divide the hairs into 2 sections and then pull it inside out as shown in the video very nicely, and then attach it on the top as shown. It will look like this. Attach it very nicely and then pull out the hairs. It's all done. For this one, take the front section aside and then tie the remaining hairs with the help of the elastic. Now take the 3 sections of the hair and then braid it nicely and pull out the braids as shown in the video. It will look like this. Now tie it nicely till the top by rolling it all together, and then take the remaining hairs and make a braids out of it as shown in the video. Now from the ponytail, start taking the smallest sections and add it to the braid as shown. It will look like this. Now attach it all together and it's all done. Cute, right? For the next one, make a ponytail and then divide the ponytail into 2 sections and then roll it all together onto each other until it will start looking like this, and roll it very nicely and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic at the end, and then take the hairs and then start making it into the bun as shown in the video by wrapping it all together, and then attach it nicely with the help of a hair clip. It's done. For the next one, make a ponytail and then roll the hairs of a ponytail and then make a bun out of it by rolling it all together, and then attach it properly with the help of the hair clip and then take the remaining hairs. It's done. For this one, take the front section of your hair and then divide it into 3 parts and start making the braids out of it as shown in the video, and keep making it and tie it nicely with the help of the elastic. Now take the another section of your hair and then make a braids on both the sides. Now take the smaller section from the remaining hairs and then pull it out from the braids and then attach it all together. It will look like this. Now repeat the process and it's all done. It's cute, right? Thanks for watching.